Hello, tiny kids. Let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week, and they are Sunday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday.
Fantastic, kids. Bye.
Tiny kids,
Bye, tiny kids.
please subscribe.